Okay, so good afternoon, student. I hope you are doing well and you have well prepared for your exam, upcoming examination of G. And I wish you a very success for your examination. Okay, so today is a very light session we will take. Okay, whatever the doubt you will have regarding the examination, okay, whatever the concern that you will have, okay, you can discuss with a free mind. So today is the day of relaxing here. Okay, so be relaxed but focus. Got it? So today mostly we are going to discuss about the strategy for JEE main. Okay, and this is specific about the exam day and during the examination how you will deal the exam and the environment of exam, how to adapt that. Okay, because you are, I think you are the first timer na? So first time you are going to give some a very huge examination, I will say. It's a big examination of our country, national level examination. So before this examination and such type of examination, we do have nervousness in our mind, stress kind of thing. So I am here to reduce the stress, and become you, and to make yourself free mind. Okay, got it? Now, so if I talk about what we are going to see today, just a second. So what we will see today? So first of all, we will discuss that what thing you should carry at the exam center, must carry things. Then we will see the section wise planning, and this class belongs to the physics. So we will mostly discuss about the physics section. Okay, how to attempt that, how many question do you ace, how to go through the question paper, okay, how to select the questions, okay, and how to attempt them, okay, and the time management thing, all the things I am going to discuss today in the section wise planning. Then we will discuss that how to decide what is tough and easy, okay, because it varies from student to student. Some of the student will think that electrostatic chapter is very tough. For some student it is very easy. For some student modern physics is very tough, or you can say the electronic physics is very tough. But some of the student it is very easy to crack. So we will discuss that how to decide that what is tough and what is easy during the examination. Okay, this is not the full-fledged examination that you will see. That we are not discussing here the preparation strategy. We are discussing here the exam day strategy. The strategy for that 3 hours that you will get. Okay, and then obviously some tips and tricks may we have included the most important chapters and the most important types of numerical questions or types of question that you will expect. Okay, we also will discuss that from this particular chapter the theoretical portion has been asked, okay, or the practical or means the numerical one will be asked. Okay, so we will also discuss about the probability of that theoretical portion and the numerical portion. Okay, so firstly you will tell me that how is your feeling, how you are feeling today. Okay, because that feel is very important for me to know. Are you feeling stressed, nervousness? Okay, so it's good. If you are feeling well, then it's okay. Okay, I will tell you a story. JEE main examination is not the last examination that you are aiming for. Okay, life is full of examination. Even life itself is examination of yours as a humankind. Okay, so don't worry about that. If you are not prepared enough, if you are not, you will see, you can say that you have the idea that whatever you have prepared and how much you have prepared, Okay, you have the clear idea, and I don't think so that the clearance that you have that anybody can have. Okay, so जो clearance आपको है about your preparation, वो मुझे भी नहीं होगा. Okay, you know that which topic is you have prepared well and which topic you lagging. Okay, so don't worry about that first of all. Okay, this term na, this worry, this is the reason for all kind of sickness. Okay, so we will firstly eliminate this word in our dictionary. Okay, so firstly we will eliminate this, then we will move further. Okay, now firstly we will see these important data, that is must carry things, and then do's and don'ts during the examination, that is also very important thing. Okay, so if I just start with it, just a second. Yeah, so all the thing is written here, and this things also mentioned in your admit card. Okay, so first of all, your admit card you should take, you must take at the examination center, and I will suggest you that make 2 copies of your admit card. Okay, take 2 photos of your admit card, in case when you lost one, so you have the another. Okay, got it? Then so firstly what we have, I have said to make at least 2 copy. Just a second. At least 2 copy of this admit card. Okay, got it? First pointer is that. Secondly, what you have to carry, one passport, even instead of one, this one passport size photo, the information that you are seeing in this screen, na, it is directly from NTA website. Okay, NTA has issue a circular about your examination or joint entrance examination, which is JEE, and this information, this each word is from this circular, original circular. Okay, so they have mentioned that you have to take one passport size of photograph, and this is important, the same that as you have uploaded with the online application form. So whatever the photo you will see, just a second, whatever the photo that you have seen, so same photo you have to take, same photo uploaded with the online application form. Okay, I will recommend you that instead of one photo, just a second, give me a second. Instead of one photo, you will take 2 photo at the time at the venue. Okay, so instead of one, you will take 2 photos. Okay, just a second. Uh, so 2 photos that you will take. Got it? Instead of one. Although in the NTA circular, it is mentioned that you have to take care only one photo, but you should take at least 2 photos. Okay, of yours, same as you have uploaded in the during the filling of examination form. So whatever the photo that you have uploaded there, you have to take the same one, or at least 2 copies of that. Okay, so 2 copies of admit card, 2 copies of the passport size photo, the same that you have uploaded at the time of online photo, online filling form. Okay, okay. So whenever you have fill your own, examination form, the same photo you have to take. Then a valid ID proof you have to take care. Valid ID proof can be original. This is important, that ID proof is original in nature. Okay, so suppose you have Aadhaar card and you will take the photo state of that Aadhaar card, so it is not valid there. So take the original one. If Aadhaar card is the best one, I think you all have the Aadhaar card. Instead of Aadhaar card, that you other IDs that you can use is the PAN card Driving license, I think you don't have this driving license. Then voter ID, passport, this will also note you have, and this will also note. So Aadhaar card and 12th class admit card you can also take, but for avoiding the any other stresses generated by these formalities, so you will take your Aadhaar card as the valid ID proof. Okay, so which what document do we have? We have admit card, two photo state of admit card, two copies of our photograph, passport size photograph, the same that we have uploaded during the examination, during filling the examination form. Okay, and one original ID proof, and that should be your Aadhaar card. I am suggesting you to take care of a Aadhaar card. Okay, because this is the thing, or that ID is, I think nowadays all the student or each and everyone has his Aadhaar card. So this could be your valid ID proof. So these three are the very important things that you must take care with you. Okay, taking with you at the exam venue. Okay, because if you are missing any of them, your entry would be very complicated in that situation, although restricted. Okay, then so what you will do, try to reach the exam menu at time. And this is not the thing that you are not a kid anymore. Okay, this is the thing that you must aware of, that we have to reach the exam menu at time. Got it? Now if you carry a pouch or bag, okay, so just try to carry a transparent bag. I think you all will travel through your bus or whatever the facility, transport facility that is given by your given by your respective JNVs. So you can put down your bag there. Okay. So in that bag, what you will carry? You will carry your admit card, two passport size photo, online form wale, same online form, same. Okay, and one ID proof, which should be your Aadhaar card. Okay. Now, what thing you should not carry? You will not carry, and you will not allowed to take care of that is the stationery box. Any kind of stationery, pen, pencil, and is not allowed, because I think you are only aiming for paper A, which is for Bachelor of Technology. If any one of you are planning for Bachelor of Architecture, which is B Arch, and Bachelor of Planning, then the stationery is allowed to you. But I hope almost all the students are preparing for BTech. No? So paper MA, you will not require any stationery. Okay, you can take care of your air sanitizer there if you have. So do not rush about it. If you have it, it's okay. And you will take one transparent water bottle. Okay, so that is allowed. And the this is it. So these are the all pointers about what you should carry or not. Now what is do's? So first of all, do's may I will don't may what thing that you should avoid. So first of all, the candidate are not allowed to carry the instrument, geometry, pencil box. We have discussed it, and these data are from the NTA website. Okay, official website of JMA. Then any handbag, purse, any kind of paper, stationery, textual material, whatever, eatables and water, loose or packed. This is not also allowed. So I pardon myself. You should not take that transparent water bottle. Okay. Now, any kind of phone, microphone that you are aware of, any kind of calculator you cannot take, camera, these all things you will read. So these are not allowed in the examination menu. Okay. Now, what are the do's? What you have to do? First of all, on the day of examination, so reporting time pe you have to reach at the examination value. Okay, whatever the time and date mentioned in your admit card. Okay, so try to reach at least 45 minutes before that. Okay, otherwise when the once the gate has been closed, you are not allowed to take that examination, and that is very strict in that case. Okay, they the guard outside the gate will follow these rules. The examination center guard, they will follow, they have followed these rules very strictly. So if you are late by at least 2 minutes or 3 minutes, they will not allow you at all. Okay, so that is the I think the decorum of that particular exam. Okay, and you should follow the decorum. Okay, you should be under yourself at that decorum. Now, the one thing that I have taken care of here is the try to avoid taking breaks for washroom. So you are allowed to take the washroom breaks, or you want to take some water, you want to have any kind of like okay, any other thing that you want to do, any uh, bio related things. Okay, so try to avoid this taking breaks for washroom. Why I will say it to you, because when you enter the examination room, that particular room that is allowed to you, and this will be the computer based test, CBT. So in that process, you have to go through, you will have to go through some of the processes like your photo capturing process, your thumb impression process, your biometrics process. So all these process you have to do at the exam venue. Okay, at the time of examination. Okay, just before the examination. Okay, once they will allot you your respected computer system. Okay, then you will sit there, and after I think 30 minutes before or 15 minute before they will allow to sit you at that. Once you have sit in, okay, once you have sit down on your PC, they will not allow you to drink water and go to the washroom, go for washroom. Okay, but if in case of emergency, if you want to use that washroom, or you want to go to drink water, so what you will do, you again have to go through that process that you have done at the time of entering the exam hall or the exam room. So this will consume at least 10 to 15 minutes of yours. 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, any sincere student will not do this mistake. Okay, and I think if it is consuming your 5 minute bina, only 5 minutes, then also you should not take this break. Okay, why? Because 10 to 15 minute means you can at least solve 3 to 4 question. Okay, 3 to 4 question, which means that you can at least score 12 to 16 marks. Okay, got it. And this 12 to 16 marks, I will tell you what does they mean. If your rank is coming, let's say your rank is coming 15,000, and you just score 12 to 16 marks above to avoiding that taking that break. So this rank drastically goes to some thousands. Okay, so that will the change, that change this 12 to 16 marks will provide to you. Okay, each mark will count. Got it? So please try to avoid taking breaks for washroom. Okay, got it? I hope you are getting it what I'm telling you. Okay, so give me a thumbs up if you are getting it? Okay. And please try to be responsive, because this session is for you guys. Any kind of issue that you are facing, any kind of trouble that you have, any kind of right now, any kind of stress, nervousness, whatever you are feeling, you can just discuss it with me. Okay, got it? So these do's, you will take care of that. You will keep this thing in your mind now. And this, I have mentioned it in the red box. Red mean danger, and this statement is very danger. So no candidate will be allowed to enter the examination center without identity verification. So if any one of you forgot to take your forgot to carry your any identity, so you are not allowed. Okay, so keep these pointers in your mind and try to relax. Okay, it's not a big day. It's a big day for you guys, but it's not the only one day, only one big day. Okay, but I will suggest you that please do apply your full potential, full sincerity, full focus in that examination. Okay, and ace that examination. Okay, at least from your side, you should not be regret after the examination. Okay, got it? So you should put your 100% in that examination. Whatever the result is, do not worry about the result, but your effort should be 100%, must be 100%. Got it? Now if I talk about physics, so you will get 30 question. Okay, in which 25s are you are allowed to do. 25 is doable. Okay, you should do. So you have choice for letting 5 question down. Okay, in which 20 questions are objective type, objective, and 10 question is NAT. NAT means a numerical answer type, na? Numerical answer type. Okay. Then in these 20 question, you have no choice. You have to do. You have to attempt this 20 question. But in this 10 question, you can only do 5 question. Okay. So total marks. If I talk about total marks, would be 100. Okay. Now, how to attempt 60 plus in this? Okay. That is our objective. Now, in physics, I have done the analysis of last year question papers, and I have included at least 5 to 6 years of question papers. What I have seen in that analysis, just a second, what I have seen, that if I categorize the easy one, easy, medium, and hard. Okay, these are the 3 categories. So we are just focusing on the easy one. Easy one is the just formula based question. So I have noticed that a pattern is that at least 5 to 6 question is from easy section, just formula based question. Okay, so if you have learned the formula, if you go know the formula, then directly you are getting at least how much marks? 22, 24 marks you are getting in that particular section. And this is not only for physics, this is for all the subjects like chemistry and mathematics also. So if you are able to manage na these easy questions, so at least 20 question you will have in your hand, that is just formula based. At least 20. I'm not saying that it is exactly 20, it could be 15, it could be 18, 17, but at least 20 question You can guess it from easy section, just formula based question. So how much marks is there? Okay, only 80 marks you are able to secure. 80 marks, 20 question means 80 marks. Okay, you are able to secure with just easy section. Now you know the cutoff. Okay, 80 marks is just sufficient to clear the cutoff. And if you are able to, I'm not exactly saying that cutoff will be 70 or it could be vary, but I don't think so that only easy section you will touch. Medium question means one step question, one step, one step questions. You have the concept. Okay, let me take the example like the question that I will take the thermodynamics. So in thermodynamics, we have the KTG, kinetic theory of gases. Na? So in that, we know that VRMS, what is the VRMS? VRMS is 3 RT upon M. This is the formula. Now we know that VRMS is directly proportional to T. So in easy section, how will the question? They will provide you the value of temperature. Okay, they will provide you the value of the gas, what gas and what amount of gas we are dealing with, and you have to find out the VRMS. Okay, now what is medium? Medium may they will give you two gases. For one, VRMS is given and temperature is given to you. For another gas, you must have to find out VRMS for two and the temperature for two is given. So what you have to do, you have to just extend one step, that VRMS is directly proportional to root T, and then you take the ratio, it will be T1 by T2 and get the answer. So these types of questions, just giving you idea what is the one step question is. So these types of questions that you can expect from medium, and I think you are able to do it. Okay, so at least if 5 to 6 questions are from easy section, okay, even more you can expect, 8 tak you can expect. Okay, and then 10 question you can expect from medium one. Okay, got it. And 4 to 5 question from hard section. Yeah, this is fixed. 4 to 5. Okay, got it. So 20 question, 30, 25 question you will have. So around 15 plus 5 for I will discuss it. So I have taken 20 questions in hand. Na? Okay. So in 25 there must be the number increment of number of medium questions, and the easy one can also be increased. So that is. So if you are able to crack only 5 to 6 questions from the medium one also, okay, so from each and every section you will have at least at least 12 to 15 question in your hand from each and every section. ठीक है, for either it is physics, chemistry or mathematics. ठीक है. So if I will do the analysis here, so 10 let's say 15 question from physics and 15 question from chemistry, and let's say 10 question from maths. So how much question you are able to do? It's 40 question. 40 means 160 marks, and 160 is just ensure you a good NIT. Okay, and your future will be secured. Although I'm not saying that you will only able to do 15, you can increase the number of questions. Okay, now this one is the discussion. What this now? First of all, how to decide what is tough and what is easy for you. Okay, what is tough and what is easy? Now most of the student, what they have in their mind, and what the teacher will also say most of the time, that they will describe a particular topic that this is tough, so the tough question will be coming from this topic only. No, this is not the way to describe tough and easy. Tough and easy vary according to the perception, according to student perception about that chapter. Okay, Got it? So for some rotational mechanics, rotational motion is assumed to be tough in general. But what if the formula based question will come out from rotational motion? What you will say? Is it the tough or easy? Got it? So do not describe in your mind that rotational motion is tough. Only tough question has been asked from that chapter. No. Now what is tough? If you have questions, okay, like you have a question here, it is written. Read this question, and the first impression of that question came in your mind that no, I'm not able to do this. Which concept I do have? Like, what is the approach of doing this question? What is the strategy? So if this type of question is unanswered in your mind, so that question is tough for you now. And if you see the question, oh, this is from the let's say this is from the mechanics, this is from the straight line motion, and okay, the reversal is it is has been asked that time when the body will reverse. Okay, so they will reverse when the velocity will be zero, so I have to differentiate this equation with respect to time, then put it zero, get the time. So you have already solved it in your mind. That question is easy for you. Got it? Okay. So do not think कि rotational mechanics is tough, thermodynamics is tough, modern physics is tough, electronics is very tough for me. No, no, no. I do not just look at that question. I will just skip it. What if it just ask in the question that how many types of what is the impurity, the p type impurities examples are given to you? Four option. It is arsenic, phosphorus, or, and you have to choose only the one option. So would you categorize it in a tough question? No. Got it. Now I will tell you a strategy, okay, that my teachers told me, okay, during my JEE, okay, and I have cleared the JEE examination, okay. So do not take me in light. Okay, I have cleared the JEE examination. That is why I'm telling you some deepen concept of it. Now, what the strategy is, first of all, note it down if you want to. Step one, I am taking the only physics section. You can apply it on the another section also. Okay. First, take a quick look of all the questions. Okay, 30 question you have. Okay. So if I'm talking about in terms of physics only, I'm specifically telling you that. So 25 question you will have. Although you will see the 30 question in that case, but you have to do only 25. So what you will do first, take a quick look in around 5 minutes. Take 5 minutes to take the look. And what the look is? Now you have to describe that what is tough and what is easy based on your knowledge, not the perception that anyone has made on you, based on your knowledge. So if you see the question from thermodynamics and it is based on just very simple formula which is Carnot engine efficiency, and one question is definitely from that, you will note it down. Keep this formula, n is equal eta is equals to 1 minus t by t lower by t higher, and eta is equals to work done divided by heat input. One question is definitely from this topic, I'll guarantee you. Okay. So this one, okay. So if you are able to find, okay, this question I can do, so in your examination, in on the PC that you will sit, uh, where you will sit, so you have four option. You can mark for review it, okay, and review only, So in that particular section, you will choose mark for review. So whenever you are taking the review of that question in that 5 minute, so you will mark this that question that you can do easily. Okay, you can do easily, and you will think that okay, this question will take some of the time, but I'm able to do it. Okay, so mark them question for review. You will also get a rough sheet of the paper, so you can mark the number wise question in that also. And in computer based test, you will see a tab there, mark for review. These types of tab, mark for review. So you can mark that question for review. So for that, you will not need to rush that what question I have selected. It is question number 27 or question number 30 or question number 15, whatever what question I have selected. Okay, so that two things you can do. First, you can take the you can note it down on your rough book, which is allotted by the uh, invigilator to you. Okay, and you can note it down the PC also. So whatever find easy for you, you can do the same. Then you have taken a look, you have decided that which question you have to put more focus. Okay, first focus of yours. So in that process, what you have to do, you will just manage your time instead of looking one by one. Okay, and then decide that, okay, this question I can do. No, you have taken the look, you have at least I think you have at least 12 to 15 question in your hand, then you will start solving that. Okay, step 2, start solving questions that you have selected. Okay, step 3, how much time should we take, should we input? So you have to input only if a question is taking more than 2 minutes. Skip that question, skip immediately. Because if the question number 17, I will take two question number 15, question number 17. If you have put more than 2 minutes in question number 15 and you have find no answer, then this will create a stress on yourself. And question number 17 is so easy that can be cracked out in only 45 seconds. And because of that question number 15 in which you have put more time, and you are not able to complete that question number 17, which is much easier than this that, so you will have the regret. Okay, so once you have taken this strategy, you classify them that this is easy and I will do that, you will not have the regret ki I have not attempted that what I can attempt. Okay, so that will be of your free mind. So in that case, you have put your 100% effort in the question that you can do good. Got it? Any kind of response you will give, na? Any thumbs up you can do if you are getting me what I'm telling you. Thumbs up, or put the message in the chat box. Okay, now step 3, do not spend more than 2 minutes for any question. Got it? Now if you follow this strategy, I'll guarantee you, I'll guarantee, not the warranty, I'll guarantee you that you will be selected in the examination. You will definitely crack the examination. And these are the 3 steps that you should follow. One thing that you also here, Now some tips and tricks. ठीक है. So first of all, don't bring any new topic. किसी भी न्यू टॉपिक से स्टार्ट नहीं करना फिलहाल में. Whatever you have learned, that you will only put your more focus. Okay. And what I will do, uh, I have uh, give a formula sheet link in the last slide, so you will take that screenshot of that link and you can follow up there. So there will be a complete formula book. Okay, so I'm not suggesting you that you will read full of that all the pages of that formula book. No, whatever the chapters that you have prepared, like work, energy, power, if you are prepared, rotational mechanics, thermodynamics, electrostatic, magnetic effect of current, oscillation and wave. So instead of matlab, if you have prepared only 7 to 8 chapters for attempting the JEE examination, so in that formula sheet you will only do what you will do, you will only do the chapters that you have covered. You will look out the formula, look out the important concept, what all the things are mentioned in that formula sheet. Okay. Now firstly, don't bring up some new topic, only revise the essential topic or the topic that you have prepared enough. Okay. Now avoid studying for the lengthy periods. It just day before the exam. ठीक है. अच्छा खाना खाओ, अच्छी नींद लो. अच्छी नींद लेना इज सबसे जरूरी थिंग दैट यू कैन डू. ठीक है. Is the most important thing that people, the student, what they will do, they will in the exam rush, they will avoid sleeping and they study full night just day before the exam. So what the result of that? At the time of examination they will be in a stress condition. Okay. The productivity will decrease. So if they are able to do let's say 60 question, they will only attempt only 40 question, just because the lack of productivity, and that lack of productivity will come because of the lack of complete sleep. ठीक है. Full sleep. So take a very good sleep. ठीक है. Arrive at the exam center, I think this you will aware of, at the 45 minutes before the examination. ठीक है. Quick look, I have already discussed you. Take a quick look of the paper. Time management is essential. I have also told you that how to manage your time. Firstly, decide the what the chapters, or sorry, what question you have to do. Okay. Then put your time in solving that questions. Okay, 3 hours का पेपर होता है, तो try to do that selected questions, not only for physics, all the topics, physics, chemistry and mathematics. Try to do it on 2 hours and 15 minutes. Okay, so at least 45 minutes you have to solve a new, bring up to a new questions that you can do by applying the your concept and your knowledge. Okay, but you have to make sure that whatever what questions that you have selected, you have to do all of that. Okay, because in that particular section you are very confident. Okay, so try to do that questions firstly, what you have selected in that. Now examinations, the questions, examine the question thoroughly, and कोई भी wild guess नहीं करना. If you do not know the answer, do not guess it. ठीक है. If you do not know it, do not guess it, because it will don't give you an answer. Okay, and it will also cost you a penalty. ठीक है. So wild guesses नहीं करना. If you have the idea, then you can guess. ठीक है. Do not spend too much of time. I have already discussed it with you. At least 2.5 minutes. ठीक है. 2.5 minutes you will give mostly. And if a question is consuming more than 2 minutes, try to just skip that question. ठीक है. Or be upbeat, self-assured, and make every effort possible. You are my student. I think you are very confident, and you are not in a stress condition as a GNV Chandan, whatever it is. Sorry for that. Because full name is not showing here. So he has tell that they are in the full mood of giving the examination. Okay. So Jao and be a lion at that examination. Okay. But do not scratch your PC screen, because they will not have the arrangement for the new PC at the same time. So Be the lion, but in the examination. Okay, in attempting the questions. And the link you can follow here is this. Okay, you can please take the screenshot of that. I'm mentioning you. Please take the screenshot of that. And if you want me, I will put this uh, uh, link in the chat box also. Just give me a second. Okay, I will put it in the chat box also, because I eagerly wants you. I I want that at least all of you will crack the examination. Okay, I have no benefit in that case, but I want that you should crack that examination, and I believe in you that you will not let me down. Okay. One thing I also want to discuss. Just give me a minute. So you have taken the screenshot of that. This is the link of that particular sheet. Okay, this is the link. So by this link, you will move through a drive, and you have there the formula sheet, and this formula sheet will also cover the important concept also from that. So do not try to study the whole formula sheet. The topics that you are very confident in, that try to take these topics, revise all the formula, and do the goodness. Okay. First, I also want to discuss something with you, that which topic that you can take, or which topic you will put more attention in theoretical aspect, and which topic you will put more attention in numerical aspect. So electronic physics, na, electronic physics or semiconductor, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक फिजिक्स, जिसे हम सेमीकंडक्टर के नाम से भी जानते हैं, सेमीकंडक्टर. You can expect a theoretical question from that. Theoretical question. ठीक है, डेफिनेटली आएगा ही आएगा. एंड इन डुअल नेचर ऑफ मैटर. ठीक है, या यू कैन डाउनलोड इट. वेरी गुड. डुअल नेचर ऑफ मैटर में वी हैव थ्री कर्व ना, दैट फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट, कर्व ऑफ फोटो electric effect. These three that we will draw between stopping potential and current, intensity and current. Okay, that you must revise them, because you can expect the question from that. And also in this Einstein equation of energy, that is E is equals to h nu plus work function. ठीक है, that also the मॉडर्न फिजिक्स में बोर मॉडल बोर मॉडल एंड रदरफोर्ड मॉडल. Differentiation between them. Why the Rutherford model has failed, that particular thing. And also all the formula, the formula that include the Rydberg constant by getting the wavelength, na, I think it is Rydberg constant 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. That particular kind of formula for energy state. Okay, so that you should also revise. So all the formula, because in this direct formula based question will be definitely asked, direct formula based question in that particular topic, direct formula based, direct formula based. So direct formula based में one chapter I also have, which is gravitation. Gravitation. Okay. Okay. And yeah, thermodynamics also you can include. Thermodynamics. Thermodynamics में work done in polytropic process, work done in adiabatic process, work done in isothermal process. That was to be directly asked. Okay. And one chapter I also include is the projectile motion. All the formula you will learn. Projectile motion. Okay. So these chapter you should take care of, at least these. Okay. So please take the screenshot of that, please, because this is very good information, very essential information for you guys. Okay. Any kind of doubt, any kind of issue that you will have, you can ask me right now. Okay. And I think you have taken the screenshot. So yes. So this is the link. Okay. So anything if you have in your mind, you can ask right now. Otherwise, the lecture is being over. I wish you a very good luck in your examination and the success in your life. Okay. So attempt well in the examination. Do your best, at least your best. Okay. And yeah, definitely. Best of luck. Thank you so much for being attentive. It's a great session with you guys, and I hope you will also enjoy it and try to take the learnings of this session. Thank you so much and wish you luck. Thank you so much.